Hello friends, welcome to the class. So in this video, we are going to see how to solve the problems on gear tracks. So the problem is being given here. So a simple gear track consists of 4 gears. So it consists of 4 gears and with number of teeth on gear 1 is 30, 40, 50 and 60 respectively. Determine the speed and direction of the last gear if the first gear makes 600 rpm in the clockwise direction. So this is the problem given. So gear 1 with the number of teeth is 30, gear 2 with the number of teeth is 40, gear 3 with 50 and gear 4 is 60. Now, so they are telling that the speed n1 is equal to how much? 600 rpm and it is rotating in which direction? Clockwise direction. Okay, and we need to find out the what is the speed of the last gear and also the direction of rotation. So in the previous class we found out the velocity ratio of simple gear n. So what does it say? The intermediate phase has no effect on the velocity ratio. So therefore we are going to consider the last gear, the first gear and the last gear to find out the velocity ratio when it is a simple gear. So what is the velocity ratio of simple gear design? So it will be n4 by n1. So this is speed n4 and n1 is equal to 1 t1 by t4. Okay, so we are going to apply this formula. So we know the value of n1 that is equal to 600. So we don't know the value of n4, we have to find out. And we know n1 is equal to how much? 600. What is the t1? t1 is equal to 30 and t4 is equal to 60. Therefore, n4 that is speed is equal to 30 by 60 into 600. Right? So this one becomes 1 and this one becomes 10. So therefore, n4 is equal to what? 300 rpm. Okay, so that is the speed of the rotation of the last gear. And what is the velocity ratio? So you can easily find out. So what is t1? It is 30. So divided by 60. So it's 1 divided by 2. 1 into 2 is the velocity ratio. So this is the velocity ratio. And this is the speed of the last gear. And they are also asking you to find out the direction of rotation of the last gear. See how many intermediate gears are there? 1 and 2. There are 2 number of intermediate gears are there. So as I told in the previous video, if we find out even number of intermediate gears, then the driving gear and the driven gear is going to rotate in which direction? Opposite direction. So if this one is rotating in a clockwise direction, the driven gear is going to rotate in an anti-clockwise direction. Okay? I hope you can understand. You can just verify that. See, this is rotating in clockwise. So this one is going to rotate in anti-clockwise. So this one is going to rotate in clockwise, and therefore this one is going to rotate in an anti-clockwise direction. So this is how we are going to solve the simple problems related to the velocity